We have the question. Okay, so let's move on to probation. We have the question. Answer. So in probation systems, philosophy, a concept, it is stated that the individual has the ability to change. Okay, he has the ability to change and modify his antisocial behavior with the right kind of help. So actually, in the correctional process in the Philippines, we have two processes. We have the so-called the institutional process, that the convicted person will be incarcerated in jail or in prison, and we have here the so-called non-institutional process of correctional process, wherein the person will serve his sentence outside prison or outside jail. The philosophy is that hindi naman po lahat ng mga convicted offenders na pinasok sa loob ng jail, sa loob ng prison na nag-change yung behavior nila. May iba pong mga offenders na kahit po sa labas sila nag-serve ng kanilang sentence, katulad ng probation, mas napadali yung pag-reform ng kanilang behavior. Okay? The good thing again is while reforming their behavior, they are continuing their obligations to serve their family, for example, to pay the liabilities to the victim, and at the same time they are working while undergoing probation. That is those are some of the benefits of having this kind of correctional process, the so-called non-institutional correction, particularly the probation. Guilty na ka, wala ka na prison, na kay conviction, pero padayon ka sa imong trabaho, padayon ka sa tuman sa imong mga responsibilities, because those are some of the conditions attached to the probation order that should be able to provide. You should be able to be responsible, na yung mga conditions attached to a certain probation. So isa diha nga giasahan sa state is ang convicted felon or ang convicted offender has the ability to change or modify his behavior. Okay? With the right kind of help. What is that right kind of help? Through the assistance, supervision of the probation officer. Ang tabang sa ato ang gobyerno na mga tao is na agency. Naagani sila gitawag diha therapeutic community, in the parole and probation office. Naa sila monthly nga mga reporting, and then dili lang mo report para interviewon. Naa sila dito yung mga activities for the prisoner for the probationer as part of their reformation programs. That is about probation. Okay?